We're going to try to show you this thing running at 1670 RPMs. And just tried it, but the belt blew up, so I had to resolder the belt. So let's give this thing a try. And you'll have to bear with me here when I plug it in. Okay. Scope reading is 78 volts on one of them and 108 on channel 2. So anyway, what we got here, we got all three of these guys now all wired up, and there's a lot of vibrations, probably because the magnets are different weights and the goop and all this crap all adding up. But anyway, at 800 RPMs I get 39, 49, and 60. And at the 1670 RPMs I'm only monitoring the center one and the last one here. And that gives me the 98 and the 108 at the maximum speed. And so that's where we are. Anyway, I changed the pulleys. What I discovered, if you're going to do this, your discs, the north has to be a space, a magnet, and then on the next disc it has to be so it starts out as a space here, space, magnet, space, magnet. And the outside magnets have to be the opposite of the inside magnets. So what I had was, I didn't have any voltage coming out of this one here, or the first one. And what I had was, the discs were on backwards. So I had north and north only. So I wasn't producing crap. And to do the final alignment, I had to add this angled bar here to just hold it in place. And so that's where we are right now. And just adding the pulley and just, oh my God, what a mess. Anyway, have a good day.